did you take it up? Why you're not good enough? Why they don't care? Why you talk so much? Why you can't keep it is not possible you're not good enough. They don't care. Why did you take it up? Never make why take it enough? Why you can't why you talk so much? Why you talk? This was my reality. Every day, a voice inside my head told me I was not enough, and I believed it until I learned the mirror work to make sure that I understand or I see myself what I would want to see myself as instead of what my mind is saying what I am. So that's how I conquered. I do get negatives. So, with that, I would like to share this small story so that you can remember throughout your life because this story helped me a lot. Welcome to Magnetize Self. Hi, I'm Roopa. Together, let's explore the tools and techniques to build resilience, embrace self love, and design a life that truly feels aligned and beautiful. Alia is a young adult struggling with self doubt, constantly hearing a negative voice in her head. The voice ridicules her before every challenge, before a presentation, before meeting her friends, before even getting out of bed. One day, exhausted from the torment, Alia finds an old mirror in the attic, covered in dust. On the back, she notices a note. Listen closely. The voice is not you. Confused, she stared at her reflection in the mirror. As she speaks, something shocking happened. Her reflection talks back, but not in a usual way. Alia's reflection asked her, why do you believe the worst about yourself? Who told you you're not enough? Was it you, my dear, or the world? Alia froze. The negative voices in her head stammers as if losing the power. Alia was tearing up and she told, I am not my thought, then who am I? The reflection smiles. You are what you choose to believe, my dear. Then, with that, the voice in Alia's head just vanishes, and for the first time, she feels free. My dear one, we all have that voice inside our head, but remember, you're not your negative thoughts. You are stronger than the lies they tell you. So, have a mirror handy whenever you feel negative. Stand or look at it to understand what you really feel. What's your real inner voice than the mind talking to you? Mind is more logical and tries to keep you safe, but you are not that. So, your inner voice will get you actually the right feedback. Listen to it. Have you ever struggled with this kind of negative self talk? If yes, please make sure that you share your story in the comments or if this story has helped you in any way. Let's make sure that we break the cycle together. If you think this story resonated, then please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe for more such inspiring stories, my dear ones. Loads of love. Before you leave this page, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, Magnetize Self, and keep learning, keep shining, and keep smiling. Loads of love. Until next time, thank you so much.